Good morning, children. Yes, today we will start the lesson number 16, that is Deepa'S generation. Okay. In this lesson, what we will study now here, see students, know the relationship between the members of three generation of family. So, draw a simple family tree and recognize the similarities in the physical and hereditary features among the family members, as also understand the relationship of child and mother. You know, students, in your house, so how many members are there? In your house, how many members are there here? So grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, you and your brother are as your sister. So this is a complete one family. Yes, so generation is how is means your father, that is your grandfather and grandmother. So we'll write here grandfather. So grandfather and grandmother. So this is the first generation in your family, or as in my family. Okay, so from here, so it comes, this is from next generation of in this family, what it is. So grandfather and grandmother, next generation is which one comes here? So that is what? Father and mother. So this generation next is father and mother. Yes, next from this generation, next which one comes here? So I and my brother. Like, or as you, I are you and your brother. Yes, so this generation we can call as a first generation. So this is the first generation. This is a second generation. So this is the second generation, and you and your family, your mother, your brother, or as your sister is there. So this is the third generation. Understood? So first, second and third generation. So this is we will studies as a particular, that is a Deepa'S generation. How many members are there in a Deepa'S family? Yes. Okay. See here, that can given here. So one of the family that yes, Raju and Deepa came to their grandparents' house. Where they went? They went to a grandparents' house. Who's that? Raju and Deepa. So during the summer vacation, when they went, so you are also going in the summer vacation. So you are also going your grandfather's house. Yes. Okay. Raju, Deepa and their mother and also grandmother went to the neighboring village to attend a naming ceremony. Yes, when they went to their grandparents' house, so in there Raju, Deepa's mother and also Deepa's grandmother, all they went to a one function, that is a neighbor house. So that is that neighboring village. So they went to their function, that is the function is naming ceremony. When the child will born, so we give the name of that child. Yes, that we can be celebrating one of the function that we can call as a naming ceremony. Okay. Yes, so many people had gathered there. So many people are gathered in that function. So Deepa saw a small baby in the cradle. So that's a small baby is there in the cradle. See here. So all the peoples are gathered here. Yes, see Deepa see a small what baby in the cradle. Yes, so Deepa is asking mother, whose baby this baby? So Deepa is asking to her mother, whose baby this? Yes, so that Deepa mother will tell that Deepa, it is the baby of Radha and Rajiv. So it is the baby of Radha and Rajiv. So you two used to sleep in the cradle like this when you were a baby. Yes, so Deepa's mother is tell that whose baby, like she is asking question for her mother. So she is tell as, so this is the baby of Radha and Rajiv. And when you are in a small child, when you are in a baby, you are also sleeping in where? cradle. Yes, so this is we can call as a cradle. Yes, this is we can call as cradle. So her mother is tell like. So the baby in the cradle started crying. So many peoples are gathered here. The baby is watching all the peoples. She is what? Scared, and also the baby is start to crying in the cradle. Yes. So Radha took the baby into her bosom and consoled it by singing a lullaby. So it means Radha take that baby and she is a what? That baby is crying, no? So it is consoled it by singing that is lullaby. So what it is? So you know that is when you are in a small child, or as in your small sister or as a brother, where they were in crying time, so your mother will what? They will console. So how she is consoling? So singing a song, whatever, and showing Chanda Mama, like. So whatever they can be singing or as showing something, so that baby will stop to cry. Yes. Yes, see what they are seeing. So aluva kandana tutiya havalada kudi hanga kudi hubbu baby nasalanga. So kannota shivana kayolaga ಹೊಳೆದಾಂಗ. So here ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸಾಂಗನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. ಇದು ಹಾಡು ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮಗುವ ಅಳುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಳೋದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಗುಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾದರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಮಗು ಅಳೋದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ they can given here listening the song to the that her mother, the baby is stopped to crying. Yes, when that baby is listening that song, so that baby is stopped to crying. Yes, you know that is they can be given here. So observe the pictures, say the mother cares how the baby. Yes, see these pictures. So monkeys firmly held their baby. Yes, so it tightly held their baby. Understood this one? And same way that bird is given to a what? A food to a small birds. Given a food to a small bird. The mother bird given to a food to their babies. Okay, and here see it means what it is, hen is, so it can taking care of your chicks. So it is here, see, so that hen is, so all it can be together, means chicks are there in with the hen, so it is also caring. And here see, so in a human life it is, see, a mother is caring her baby. Yes, so it means you know that is mother is caring how the baby, you know that is all your mother how you will caring of you. Yes, okay. In all the situation, mother fulfills all the needs of the child, such as love, nature and protection, and also given a food. Not only this process is going on human beings, all in the overall the nature, so all the animals showing the what? Love, kindness and protection and given food to their child or as their baby. Understood? Okay. Yes, after returning, when the function is completed in Deepa went to their function, no, that is naming ceremony, they all the returning. So from the naming ceremony, grandmother met her friends. They looked at Raju and said, who's that? Deepa's grandmother, she's met their friends. Okay, they looked to a Rajiv and they looked to a Rajiv and also they said here, he looks just like his grandfather. So and also you know students, in your house or as your neighbors also tells you like you are looking like same you are in your grandmother or as your grandfather, like they are tell us. It means, are you heard this word? Yes. So his eyes, a broad forehead and long nose resemble his grandfather only. It looks like it means your eyes is looking as your grandfather and your nose is looking like your grandfather. Yes, so you are always, it means same looking as you are in grandfather, like the what? So that what grandmother friends are there, no, they are told for Raju. Yes, Deepa said, everyone says that I resemble my mother. See how I am, it means curly hair. My mother too has a curly hair. Yes, Deepa tells us everyone says that I resemble my mother, looking as my mother. Yes, Deepa said that everyone says that I am resemble my mother. So it means Deepa, she's heard that so many peoples they said to us. So what they tell? So you are resemble same as your mother. It means you are look like your mother. So because why, it means why they are tell. So her mother's hairs are curly hairs. Same Deepa's hairs also curly hairs. Like, okay. Whom do you resemble in your family? Yes, students, in your family, whom do you resemble? So how you are looking? You are looking as your father, or as your mother, or as your grandfather, or as your grandmother. Yes, so observe carefully and write his or her name and relationship with you. They can given here 2 lines. So you will observe. So how you resemble? Yes, so you can be observe and write here. And next one, recognize the resemblance, so similarities it means, okay. So among the members of your family and write them here. So example, color of my skin and father's skin is same. Yes, like same. So my skin color and my father's skin color is same. And my hairs looking as and my mother hairs looking same. Like you can be mentioned here. So who you are resemble, it means looking as same, it means characters, it may be looking similarities will be write down here, okay. Yes. Next they can given here, the picture of family is given here. So identify the similarities you notice among them right here. So here students, some of the pictures they can be given here. So identify and we will be notice that, okay. Here see looking as, so this is the family, grandfather, grandmother and mother, father, Ravi and Ramya. This is one of the family. So whose resembles, like whose, okay. Here see, so he is a grandfather, father, and here see grandmother and Ramya and mother and Ravi. Like here see Ravi and mother, I wrote here see Ravi and mother skin color and hairs are same. Understood? So these are 2 members, skin color and hairs are same. Next, grandfather and father nose and face is same. We will noticing, no. Yes. So here grandfather face and grandfather face, grandfather nose and father nose is same. Next, Ramya and grandmother skin. Ramya and grandmother's skin and face resemble. Understood this one? So similarities of this family. Like in your family, is there any similarities will be mentioned, okay. Understood this one? Okay. Children resemble their parents, grandparents and the other members of the family. So generally the similarities can be seen in the hair, color of the skin, eyes, ears, nose, walking and also laughing style. Yes, these all the styles are resembles like as grandparents or as a parents. They met Ramappa and grandfather on the way, who was returning from the town. He took the children the farm. Yes, so they can given here. They met Ramappa, the grandfather, on the way, who was returning from the town. Who was returning from the town, they will be met. So he took the children the farm. So Deepa, grandpa, how many children do you have? Sees Deepa is asking to a grandmappa. Okay, so grandfather then told about his family. What he's telling? Deepa, your grandmother is Puttamma. Who's that grandmother? Puttamma. We have two children. We have two children. They are your father are the town. Your father also having two children of your father. Okay. I, your grandmother, your father, mother, you and Raju thus belong to three generations. Yes, that is that Rangappa is tell to a what? For Deepa, what they are tell? So your grandmother is Puttamma, we have two children, they are your father and that is whose name is Subbanna and your aunt Leela. Yes, so here you and Raju are the two children of your father. So your grandmother, your father, mother and you and Raju thus belong to a three generation. So that is I told you grandfather one generation, father, mother another one generation. So you and so your family, it means your brothers, sisters, those are having one generation. Okay. Yes, Deepa. Grandpa, I could not understand what you said. So it means she is not understanding what he told. Okay. Yes, Raju. Deepa, I have learnt about the generation in the school. Yes, Raju is explaining that one. Deepa already learned that about the generation. So it can be shown by drawing a simple family. Yes, so it means simple family tree. So I'll try and show you what grandpa said. Then you will understand what they said. Okay. Children reached the home. Okay. Next, Deepa and Raju here. Deepa is asking, Raju, you told me about the family tree. You will please draw it and show me. Take this pencil and paper. Yes. So here how we can be draw a what family tree? So he draw and show that family generation. Yes. So this is yes. Like this. So he draw a family tree. Okay. So like this he'll draw a family tree. So here, so I'll write here grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather and grandmother. Here I'll write here father, mother. Yes, two children of here Raju and Deepa. So this is the what? Family tree. Understood? Family tree of for whose? Deepa'S. Okay. Yes, and also we can understanding generation. So from first base here in the tree, so we can see the stem. Start from stem only, no, it can be growing here. Yes. So in the generation here, so from first here, who comes here? This is the first generation. And the father and mother, second generation. Next one, Raju and Deepa, this is third generation. Yes, we can understanding here. What we can understanding? So how many generations are there in this family? There are three generations. Grandparents one generation, parents one generation, and children another one generation. Yes. So he Raju is that drawn and they explain to her for what? For whose? Deepa. Deepa, hey, it looks like a tree. Raju, yes, it is called as a family tree. It is a simple family tree, Raju's family. Yes, it is a very simple family ours. So she is explaining. Who are all there in your home? It means in your home, how many members are there? So your grandfather, grandmother is there, or as your father, mother, So R as you and your family. It means your family means your generation. That is third generation. You, your brother, your sister, like. So it will be mentioned here. Okay. Next one, collect more information about your grandparents from your elders. So draw a simple family tree of your family from a grandparents to as you shown by Raju. Like how I'll shown here. So like you will be draw a family tree in your family members. It means in your family generation. Okay. Yes. Next, after you will be drawn, after you will be observe your friend's family tree and yours family tree. What's you are seeing the difference of in your friend family tree and also your family tree. Okay. Yes. So Deepa, grandpa, you have shown me a big tree in the farm, haven't you? Yes. Since Deepa is asking to a grandpa. So it means you are showing me a big tree, haven't you, in the farm? Grandpa, I had planted that when I was young. No, it is a very big. It means grandpa that is planted that tree when he was in young. But it is now he is a old man. So it is also a very big tree now it is. So it's also growing that. Raju, there was another big tree beside that grandpa. Grandpa, oh, that was planted by your father when he was young. Yes. So, near of the grandpa planted that tree, that is near another one tree is there. Who's tell that one? Raju. So, that grandpa is explaining that is your father is planted when he was in young. Yes. So, that is a very small compared to my planted tree. It means I am planted, no, that compared to so my planted tree, so it is a very small. So it now it will grew well. Raju, grandpa, tomorrow Deepa and I will plant a sapling beside those trees. It means so I am also saplings. It means both though are saplings. So here so I will also both Deepa and Raju I will also planted a tree beside those trees. Grandpa, well, Raju, let it also grow like you. Yes, so grandpa is explained, very good. So how you are growing, no, like the tree is also growing, like he is explaining. Yes, students, I hope you understood. So this lesson is completed. Tomorrow will start, that is the new chapter, my hobby. Thank you for watching.